Hey there, Boots Owen here. A friend of mine rang me up and said, would you like a washing machine? And well, given this is my garage, you can tell how the rest of the conversation went. I was told that it's broken, and well, that it leaks. It was not broken, so it does work in theory, but it leaks. So they were getting rid of it. They've got a new one. The lid wasn't attached whenever I clicked at it. I was told you need to get it down 3 flights of stairs, which I duly did. Ooh, interesting. Very interesting. So this is a Beko. I think the shocks have collapsed on it. I think that's part of the issue. If you look at the stone there, it's all tilted backwards, which just is what it is. That capacitor is looking a bit dangly in there, the filter capacitor, mains filter. The controls are all done up on the front board. This is quite an old machine. Could I get a date? What would give me a date? Something with a sticker. 9461 does not tell me. That's just quality control. There's 105 on the plastic molding. January 05, which makes it really old. Here's a sticker. What does that say? Stock number. Nah, don't think that's going to tell me. 05 is 19 years ago. That doesn't add up either. It seems like a long time ago. There's a sticker in there. Yeah, 160806. So 2023 now. That puts this up at 16, 17 years old. People sometimes know about these dates. The fact that it says 06 there is a clue that it could be 06, in which case that's not a bad run for a machine like this. Bit snotty in there. Yeah. It's not failed on bearings. Let's lie it over on its side, I think. So what am I going to do with it? Well, is that sharp? No. It's actually quite a nice machine now that I think about it like this. Careful. It's actually quite a nice machine, not rusty. RC-lick motor. What's that doing there? The shocks are... Oh, it's missing its lower ballast. Well, that's why it's tilting backwards, or I guess. That's why it's not right. So, yeah, okay. It's missing its ballast. It's never going to run as a washing machine. And I'm guessing the ballast fell off, because look, it's all dodgy. Get some light on it. I'm guessing the ballast just fell off and then ratted around in there a bit. It's all a bit screwed up. So that might be why it's... I don't know where it's leaking from. Could be damaged. I don't really want to find out. As it stands, it's an ideal candidate for the brick. Could hotwire that motor. I think it's a brushed, yeah, it's got brushes on it. Could hotwire that. See what it'll do. Might be the best option. So for now, I'm going to store it outside until I do that, because I'm not doing it today. That's not bad then. That's a solution washing machine. That's your failure mode, missing ballast. I didn't anticipate that at all. It's a long time since I've seen a ballast falling off a machine. It's a bit bizarre, actually. You don't often see it. Something has to go seriously wrong that the screws for the ballast come out, because they're pretty well seated normally. Right, ballast, Beko. You're going to fight another day, I hope. Silver Beko. Yeah, okay. That's the plan. Let's get you outside. You'll wait a while. It's the middle of winter. It's November now. It might be next year before I do anything about it. The shocks are attached. It's half the battle. Yeah, let's... Oh, what I was going to say, just one more thing. You could do the bearings on this, because it's got clips all around it. See those silver clips? The front comes off. It's a repairable machine. I've just looked at a hot point, and it was welded, and after 5 years it had failed. So the fact that this one's lasted nearly, well, 15, 20 years, somewhere in that range, it's not doing too badly. You know, what are you gonna do? Stand it up again. Right, yeah, ballast. So if the ballast was on the front, it would sit more like that, which it doesn't now. It's all dusty in there. Let's play with my nose. So all those clips would come off. Oops, just like that. Just pop them up and just snap them back on again. But very quickly then we have to take it all apart, but you can get in to do the bearings, which is excellent on a machine, but not seen very much anymore. Right, I'm just talking guff and reminiscing about something that really doesn't matter because I've got Bosch machines that I can fix. Questions or comments, leave them below. Any suggestions for smashing this on the basis that it might not be for quite a long time? I think it was a Beko like this that went on the trampoline a long time ago. Getting on for 8 years, I'd say. Yikes. Yeah, leave your questions and comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see that video, and if you haven't already subscribed, like would be appreciated. See you next time. Thanks for watching. See you later.